In this video, I will show you how to highlight cells less than a number in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have student names and the marks they obtained in various subjects in these columns. Now I want to highlight the cells containing values less than 40 with red color. Let's create a formatting rule based on the formula. Select the range of the cells containing marks. Now go to the Home tab, click the Conditional Formatting option and then select the New Rule menu item. Select the Use a Formula to determine which cells to format option from the rule type list. Now we need to enter a custom formula that either returns a true or false value. I will enter this formula to check if the cell value is less than 40 or not. I will use the first cell in the range, cell C3 in the formula. Excel will automatically apply this formula to the remaining cells in the selected range. Now click the Format button to open the Format Cells dialog box. Since we want to change the cell background to red color, select the Fill tab from the top. I am going to choose the light red color as the background. Click the OK button to close the Format Cells dialog box. Make sure to check the Preview section to confirm the cell format. This custom cell format will be applied to a cell only when the formula we entered returns true for that particular cell. In this case, this format applies when the cell value is less than 40. Click the OK button to close the Conditional Formatting dialog box. As you can see, all the cells containing marks less than 40 are now highlighted with the light red color. We can also refer to a cell value instead of hardcoding the value directly into the formula. For example, in this Excel sheet, I have the minimum value stored in the G3 cell. I will slightly change the formula to check if the current cell value is less than the value stored in the G3 cell. I will also make the G3 cell reference absolute using the dollar signs like this so that it does not change when Excel applies this formula to other cells. As you can see, all the marked cells less than the value stored in the G3 cell are now highlighted with red color. This conditional formatting rule is dynamic, which means that if you modify any value, the format will be automatically changed. For example, if I change any cell value to make it less than 40, the selected format will be applied automatically. Similarly, if we make any formatted cell value greater than 40, the red background color will be removed like this. To remove the conditional formatting from these cells, let's select all the marked cells again. Now go to the Home tab, click the Conditional Formatting option, select the Clear Rules and then the Clear Rules from Selected Cells menu item. As you can see, now the marked cells do not have any conditional formatting rule applied to them. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you find this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.